What's up guys? In this video, I am going to review the GoPro Hero 4. What's up guys? I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I create video lessons, tutorials, product reviews to help you learn how to use technology to improve your lifestyle. Now, I've been using the GoPro Hero 4 for a couple years now, and you might be thinking, why are you doing a review of the GoPro Hero 4? It's an outdated GoPro. But the fact of the matter is, you can get the GoPro Hero 4 on Amazon for a great price, and it's a great action camera. So if you don't want to go out there, spend the money on a brand new GoPro, check out the GoPro Hero 4. I got a link in the description that'll take you to Amazon that you can check out the current price of the GoPro Hero 4. But some really cool things about the Hero 4 that they didn't have in the previous versions is they have the back LED screen. So when I turn on the GoPro, you might be able to see here on the back of the screen is a little display screen, and it's a touch screen. So I can touch it, unlock it, and change a lot of the settings right here. I can change the video settings. I can swipe and review old videos. I can change all sorts of stuff. See, I could watch a replay right here from the actual GoPro itself. It has audio, I can hear it. And if I want, I can just delete photos right here from the back. So that is by far the coolest thing about this version of the GoPro is the touch screen on the back that allows you to sort through videos, review videos, make changes, change the settings. You don't have to like fiddle with the front button anymore. And all of the future versions of the GoPro, or I should say the later versions, the more recent versions, have the touchscreen backing, which is really awesome. So it does use, a micro SD slot here in the side. It's got the little micro USB charger. You've got the battery port here on the bottom. It does not have an audio input. So like if you have an external mic, there's no input for that. But I found that the audio actually is pretty solid. Now I'm not gonna show really any footage in this specific YouTube video of the GoPro Hero 4, but I'll throw some links in the description below this video of some GoPro Hero 4 footage that you can go and watch and check out so you can see like, okay, what's the quality of the footage? How does it look? Is it nice? But I'll just tell you right off the bat, you can shoot up to 4K with this camera. Let me go and pull up the settings. So for video, you can shoot 4K. Frames per second is currently 15. And then as you go down in resolution, you can shoot at a faster frame rate. So like 2.7K, you can shoot up to 30 frames per second. When you go lower, you can go faster, faster frame rate, but it's more slow motion. So it's got really great settings. There's great field of view. You can do super zoom, really wide. You can do narrow. If you're familiar with GoPro, you probably know about that. But I totally endorse the GoPro Hero 4. I think it's a great camera. For that reason, I haven't even upgraded to the newest one because I just think this one is really great for my needs. If I was shooting a ton of I want it to be really cinematic 4K footage in slow-mo and whatever, and I was being really crazy like that outdoors, then yeah, I might consider upgrading to the newest GoPro. But just for standard everyday use, for most people, I'd take this to the beach, I'd take this camping. I've got videos, outdoor stuff, fishing. It's great. You get the waterproof case with the different backings. You can do an open back, a closed back. It comes with all that cool stuff. So all sorts of mounts. Everything works. So all the new mounts that are coming out, they'll all work with the GoPro Hero 4. So if you're interested in checking out the GoPro Hero 4, like I said, I got a link in the description. You can get it for a great price. It's a great camera if you're on a budget and you're not really ready for the newest GoPro that's out. All right, guys, if you have a GoPro, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you're thinking about action cameras, what action cameras you're loving, what your recommendations are, so the different viewers can check out the comments and see what your feedback is. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. We'll see you next time.